So I've always been one to enjoy learning, and I love ancient philosophy, things like that, and just things that help you, I guess, live better. So why Stoicism and philosophy? Well, because Stoicism and philosophy doesn't care if you're male or female. It doesn't care if you're Christian or anything other than that. It doesn't care. It doesn't care about your religion. It doesn't care about anything. The idea behind it is the main points, I should say, are there's two piles, right? If you picture it like this, you have a pile of crap that you can't control, and then you have another pile of stuff that you can control, right? The things that you can control are your thoughts, your actions, and judgments towards others. And then on the other one, every time you're doing something in life and something doesn't seem to go your way, you didn't have control of that to begin with. And philosophy allows you, or teaches you rather, to accept those things you can't change and focus on the things that you can change for yourself, like your mindset. So when you start to do this, you learn that being reactive to things isn't the answer. You know, if traffic's bad, you can't really control it, but you can control how you react to it. So, you know, I have an hour to hour and a half drive every morning, and whether it takes an hour or an hour and a half really depends on how bad the traffic is. But I plan ahead. That's something I can control. So I plan ahead. And then if it gets backed up and I'm stuck in traffic, I crank the tunes on or listen to a podcast. Typically a podcast. I love listening to some podcasts about Stoicism and philosophy, just self-help kind of stuff. You know, I went through a lot of crap in my days, and I became a much more passive person when I started reading and listening and